task is not completed within that particular framework or that particular period, the boss is going to fire that person. So instead of that, very assertively we have to just say boss that boss, I'm doing this important task as you wish, and according to that, after this I will do this firstly, secondly, and thirdly, so that uh, according to office needs and boss view, we have to work accordingly that, and we have to say no whenever it is necessary, because otherwise it is very difficult that you can do all the multitask leveling and you are not achieving your dreams or desired results according to your company boss or your organization. So whenever you not comfortable, you can say no. So people's pleasures you don't have to work. So you have to come out of that comfortable zone. Okay? Because you have to take the risk. When you are taking the risk, you can say no to any person. And this is what is important. Don't say just only yes and you don't do anything. Don't say yes and just you are bothered of something. Don't say yes and you are just not accountable to that particular task. Because in this case, you are not responsible to the work you are doing. Therefore, you have to commit the bigger thing, larger thing, and you have to deliver much more things what you have committed. That may be one task you are doing simultaneously, the other task also. But you have to work very competitively, very rigorously, and you have to give the commitment you have done to the other people. You have to give much more of that particular commitment. So this is how we are saying no to the other person when it is not possible according to your way. So commit the larger thing and do much more bigger, much more larger what you have already committed. When you do that, then you are taking charge of your life. And this is important because whenever you are taking responsibilities, you are saying no to the things you don't want to do, then your self-esteem is going up, your self-esteem is going higher, and this is what is important. The fourthly, you have to love yourself. Because why you have to love yourself? We all know that love is the prima facie, the positive quality, positive emotion in ourselves. However, you might have seen the people, those who don't love themselves, they try to love others, but it is very difficult. The person who is not loving oneself, it is very difficult to love others. Because the basic instinct that people when love oneself, then only they can understand how to love others. Because that is the basic instinct. How it is possible that person are hating oneself and loving others? It is impossible. The self-hate is very destructive. This is very destructive feeling. And I have seen the people, they are hating oneself uh, rather now or afterwards. And I have seen the people, they are not growing emotionally, mentally, physically, and financial also because they are self-haters.